Hey, what's up everybody? Too Tall Toby here and happy Pi Day. Today is Thursday, March 14th. And for this very special episode of Power Moves, I thought I would show you how to create an end cam using pi as a variable in a SOLIDWORKS dimension.
Ow!
So here we can see the part that we're going to use as the foundation for that cylindrical end cam. And this part is a pretty simple part. You can see in the tree here, we start out with this main cylinder. It has a diameter of 80 millimeters. Then we have a plane that we've created. And then on that plane, we're going to create a sketch that we're going to use to create what's called a wrap feature. So let's edit that sketch, and we're going to add a dimension here for this horizontal line. And this dimension is going to represent the kind of overall length of that wrapped feature. Now, currently that value is at 240, but really what it needs to be is it needs to be equal to the diameter of that cylinder times pi. So what do you think that value is going to be? Do some quick calculations in your head. What do you think that number is supposed to be? It's 80 times pi. Well, the good news is we don't have to do those calculations in our head. What we can do is create a dynamic link to the variable called pi. And the way we do that is we double click on this dimension and then we type equals on our keyboard. And then we can simply type in the letters pi for pi. And then we can type in the asterisk. And then we can take our mouse here out onto the screen. We can click on the face of the cylinder, and then we can single click on this dimension. So now that text string reads pi times the diameter of the cylinder, or D1 at sketch 1, which is the diameter of that cylinder. So you press enter, that locks in that equation, you press enter again, and we can see that that value calculates out to 251.33. Pretty cool stuff, right? On this March 14th, Pi Day 2024. So now we're gonna exit that sketch, and then we are going to jump into the wrap command. We're going to say we want to wrap this sketch around this face. This is a cylinder, so it'll be analytic geometry. And we're going to use this middle option here for deboss. So we're going to be cutting into that cylinder, and we'll cut into that cylinder at a depth of, let's say, 20 millimeters. And so there we go. We have now created that cylindrical cam, kind of the foundation for that. We could pick this face here, begin a sketch, do a convert entities, do an extruded cut, and then right mouse button through all, right mouse button. And now we've got that nice cut through that cylindrical end cam. And now if we go back to the original dimension here, this 80 millimeters, we could maybe update that to 125. And we're happy to see that the sketch for our wrap automatically updated. So now it's 392.70 because it is being defined by pi times that cylinder. So I hope that you guys like this quick tip on this beautiful 3/14/2024 Pi Day 2024. If you did, be sure to like, be sure to subscribe, and be sure to come back for some more Power Moves.